If you're looking to build a custom CRM workflow for your sales process, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to streamline your sales process using a custom CRM workflow, something that can save you time, increase productivity, and close more deals. Stick with me till the end to see exactly how to do this, and I'll also give you an exclusive free trial to follow along with the software we'll be using. First, let's talk about why building a custom CRM workflow is crucial for your sales process. Off-the-shelf workflows are convenient, but they don't always match your specific needs. That's why customizing your CRM can drastically improve efficiency and give you control over your sales pipeline. Start by identifying the key stages of your sales process. For most businesses, this includes stages like lead capture, qualification, follow-up, and closing. Each of these stages needs its own workflow. Now think about the actions required at each stage. In your CRM, you'll be able to automate tasks like sending emails, creating follow-up reminders, and even updating deal statuses automatically as your leads progress. The next step is setting up your CRM software. I've tried a lot of the popular options out there, but this software has really stood out for its customization options, ease of use, and how seamlessly it integrates with my sales process. If you want to follow along, I've left a link in the description below where you can grab an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Once you've got your CRM set up, it's time to build the workflows. Start with creating automated actions for each stage in the process. For example, when a new lead is captured, your CRM can automatically send a welcome email and assign a sales rep to the lead. You can also set automatic reminders for follow-up calls and emails to ensure no lead slips through the cracks. Next, customize your CRM to fit the unique needs of your sales team. This might mean creating custom fields to track information that matters to you, like lead source, deal size, or purchase history. The more detailed your CRM is, the easier it will be to segment your leads and provide personalized follow-up. It's also important to build in opportunities for real-time reporting. You want to be able to track your sales pipeline easily and monitor progress toward your goals. Set up reports that show you how many deals are in each stage, which sales rep is performing the best, and where you're losing leads in the process. Now don't forget to integrate your CRM with other tools you're already using, things like your email marketing software, calendar, and even payment processing tools. This ensures your workflow is connected across all touchpoints, making the process smoother and giving you more visibility into your sales funnel. Lastly, always test and refine your workflows. As you start using them, you'll likely spot areas for improvement. Maybe certain automation isn't as effective as you thought, or perhaps you need to add a new stage to your sales process. Don't be afraid to tweak and optimize your custom CRM workflow. The key takeaway here is that building a custom CRM workflow for your sales process isn't just about adding complexity, it's about simplifying and automating the tasks that take up your valuable time. A well-built workflow keeps everything organized, saves time, and helps your sales team focus on what matters, closing deals. To quickly recap, start by identifying your sales stages, automate key actions in your CRM, customize fields and reports for your team's needs, and integrate with other tools. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the software we use today. That's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick tips like this.